Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's see here. We're gonna be trading some NASDAQ futures on Top Step funded account. Let's see. Let's see here. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be trading on Top Step funded account. Okay. So first things first. What the heck is this? Got some news. 8:30. Okay. I think there's like CPI or PPI or something like that. Can't remember. Something was this morning. So. Anyways, I'm gonna start charting right now for the day. Okay. So I'm gonna start at the daily chart here. Okay. So let's remove this, remove everything, clean out the whole charts, everything. All we want is the charts right now. Okay, so we're at all-time highs right now. Okay. All-time highs. No previous day high to mark, because we are at the high right now. I'm gonna mark out this low, which I doubt we're gonna hit it. What's today? Friday. You never know. You never know, actually. You never know, dude. But most likely not. But you never know. Either way. Cause look at this crap. So who knows what's gonna happen. But I'm gonna mark it out previous day low, just so we have something going on there, so we know that where that is. Now I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. Like, it's hard to mark anything. You're at the top right now. We're at the top. Like, let's be real. We're at the top right now. Okay, so we're gonna mark out if it wants to come into anything. Obviously, like this little fair value gap here, 4 hour. Okay, so if it wants to hit that, we'll know what's up. 1 hour. See what we got going on here. Freaking literally nothing. Look at all this chop. Look at all this. Look at this. Nothing to mark here. Nothing to mark there at all. Nothing. So I could tell already. It's like it's gonna need some prices. It's gonna need to form and then show me what it wants to do. It's gonna be some more. I need some more candlesticks to show me like what the heck going on here. Let me see here. Trying to look at something. Let's see. Let me just see what this does. I'm just might as well try this projection thing here. Okay. See, this projection take profit, right? Projection take profit, yeah. So I'm gonna try this and see what it does. See where it'll take it. Fib, okay. On a 15-minute chart, right here. Yeah, I gotta do that. I might try that one too next. Which way is this thing going? They go the opposite way? Okay, I'm gonna do it from top to bottom. What's the different? I thought it was the other way. Let's see. Anyway, we're gonna do some projections here. Okay, just to see if we can. I just want to see what comes up here. We got 7 minutes. We can do it real quick. So at the top of this wick, bottom of this wick, projection. Get this. Get this body. Get this body. Boom. Okay, boom. Let's see what happens here. Okay, nothing really there. Okay, let's try something. Let's try this other part. I'm gonna try this. Let's see. That's body. Body. Or let's actually. Body. Wick. Wick. Okay. So that's it right there actually. So let's just see what this one's talking about. Is that the bottom? Where's the wick? Okay, so wick needs to come down over here. Right there. Okay. So top, wick, body. Okay. Let's see what this does here. That one's looking pretty close right here. Look. Yep. Right on the dang thing. Right on it. We hit that dang thing. Right there. We hit it. Boom. So the projection, that's that part. I'm gonna leave that there just because it freaking hit it exactly on it. We're projecting off of it. On the news, there wasn't really nothing you could do about it though. Just the news. I mean, you can see like a projection, but it's like, yeah, there's not enough time. But we're just gonna leave that there because it freaking did something. It made a reaction. So we could be looking for a pullback, to be honest with you. Okay, we're going to mark this 15 here. See if there's anything else going on here. We got this one here. And that there. That's where we're at, man. That's where we're at right now. I mean, there's not much to freaking not much to do. We want to see price actually form some stuff first before anything. To get kind of clear here, that's what I want to see. This is midnight open, right there. So midnight open, we freaking went up. Keep bouncing midnight open, then we went up. Shut up. Really didn't go below it. See the daily candle real quick. Daily. I'm gonna mark this opening price up right here. So we'll better know when it turns into a bearish candle. 15. We're going up. We're looking for up. I mean, we're looking for it to come back here and go up. It'd have to be a good. I want to see lower, but yeah, I want to see lower. But what makes most sense is to go up right now. Is to look for higher. It being Friday and how much we're extended already. Lower could be the case, but just to go with the trend and go with what it's doing already, up is what it is now to be safe with it and everything. But we just hit this settlement right here, so we'll see how that holds up and what's happening. But I think that's a good short right now. If it's so, if you got in right now, or just get in somewhere over here, right? Your stop will be up above this wick a little bit, just right above the wick. You mean, and you'd be looking for way the heck down here, way the heck down here. At least into this 15 right here. At least into this one. I would suspect. Maybe further, but you mean at least in maybe the middle of this. Get your 2 to 1, whatever. But I think this high is safe. I think this is the high of the day right here. I think this is the high of the day right now, to be honest with you. We didn't go 50% past this wick, which is showing bearishness too. Let's see. Let's finish this up real quick. London low is that 15 minute. London low. Okay. Delete that thing. The London low is right there. Okay. Actually, delete midnight open. Really. And then put the London low there. I'd rather see London low. Okay. Let's see what else going on here. Really no equilibrium to look at. Equal highs and lows. We got 1 minute left. Relatively equal right here. Not super equal. Not super duper, but those are equal right here. This one and this one pretty dang equal. So really looking for lower, to be honest with you. I mean, looking for it to come at least to this London low right here. I think that's high of the day. I think that's high of the day right there. I don't think we're going past that. I don't think we're going back up there. I think this is it right now. I think we're gonna be down here somewhere. Yeah, I think we're gonna be down here somewhere. But I think that's about it, pretty much. Yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Market's about to open. Couple of seconds. 2, 1. Okay. Hit the 15 minute. See how this reacts right here. Taking this low out. Come up in here. See what ES looks like. ES, we're chilling. We haven't came into the 15 minute on ES yet. Not quite yet. Right there. Could be a short right now, dude. Could be a short right now, dude. We'll see. I want the price to kind of form first. I don't know what it wants to do. I want it to. It looks like it's gonna go lower. I just want to see what it's gonna do first. That's all. I don't want to be reactive in this, even though I am suspecting it to go a lot lower. You gotta be safe. Now we create a fag gap right here. Let's see how that reacts. See how that reacts there. Could be an entry here. May take it on my trying to pass it, my trying to pass an account thing, my eval.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna take it on my eval only, not on my live. Or my funded. Not on my funded. It's my eval right now. See if we can get this real quick. See if we get this drop. See what we want to do here. See what we want to do here. We're still holding it. Only took it on my eval, not my live account. Just to be clear on that. We're coming off 15-minute. Coming up. Could be actually a long play here if you're looking for longer. I'm just not sure if I'm looking for longer yet. The 15-minute bounce isn't enough for me yet.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that thing off. Yeah, pretty much got me out. Okay, that was just I just wanted to take a shot at that just to see on that. I guess it wants to go higher. That's the thing about trying to short all-time highs. It's like you just never know what the heck it wants to do. I still think that was the high of the day. You know what I mean? I don't know if we're gonna. We might get close to it. I don't. If that projection was like that, man, it seems like it might hold. It may hold. That inversion was the trade there. I wanted to kind of take on my other one, but I was already in that other one because we're coming off the 15. But and at least take the high up. Would have been like this right here, somewhere like that, 65 maybe. I would have wanted it to take that up. Now we're just gonna sit and wait, see what happens here. I still think it's a high of the day. I don't know if that's like a bad move for me to think that. I just think that's the high of the day with the projection being that close like that. I've seen it multiple times, just hold the crap out of the thing. Now we're pushing it up. Dang, man, we're pushing up. Yeah, that was it right there, man. I would have got in on the other one, but I was in on the other one. I didn't want to go two different ways. So we're pumping. Looks like we might just be pumping hard now. So if anything, we're looking for longs right now. If anything, we're looking for longs. If anything. I really don't want to go short right now. This could be an entry here. For it to come back in this fair value gap here, maybe an entry. I just don't want to right now. It's just a little bit too. We're high as crap right now. I mean, that's kind of what you gotta do. We're at all-time highs. Just kind of just do that. I mean, like just freaking go. But I don't. We're still holding this area right here, so I don't want to take this. And if we invert this, I don't want to take that either. Until we get some more confirmation that we want to go down, because I think we're going to go up a little bit more, chop around or something. Hopefully the mic's been on the whole time. I don't even know if it's been on. I'll have to check that later. Small one. let's see, we're kind of hovering right here. This may be the high of the day now. We're still holding this little area right here. So we got this right now, holding this part. So this could be an inversion right now, where we kind of inverse this, stop at the high, see if we can dump. You mean? Cause no, look at this crap. Look at that. What the heck was that? Like a no, heck no. Look at this. Stay out. Get out now. If you're in something, get out now. Break even right now. Whoever, if you're in this something, dude, break even. Hopefully you're in a long or something. Cause look at this freaking thing right there. That's crazy, dude. What the heck was that? Good thing I wasn't going short. Look, it would have stopped me out so freaking quick. Well, nobody should go short right now. I didn't invert this yet. Oh no, man, that's freaking crazy. Let's see what happens though, but that right there, that just lets me know don't get in nothing right now. Until we clean up. I wonder what the heck just happened. Let me see what if I could see what happened. Let me see what might have happened here. Let me check some stuff. See if we can figure this out real quick, dog. What the heck just happened? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, nothing I can see on that part. Let me see over here. Well, shoot, we got freaking PMI, dude. I mean, what the heck? I forgot to mark that crap out. Then we got 9 o'clock sentiment. So yeah, no doubt something's gonna be PMI. Okay, first of all. I mean, I probably hadn't even checked that crap. First of all, and that's a mistake on my part. I usually check it. It just took forever to load up, I think. So right there, we got news right there at 10 o'clock. And then after that, we can trade. I'll trade. Right now, heck no. So let's just see what happens here. We got double sus blocks here, which is all just a candle with a little gap right there. One candle and it has a gap on either side. A little gap there, little gap there. You see this one doesn't have a gap. No gap, no gap. That one has a gap there and there, kind of, and it's green, so it's showing strength to go up. There's 2 of them back to back, so it usually shows like it's strong. I mean, right now the short does not look too freaking bad, dude. But after that, which we know at least it's news. It wasn't just something random. But it doesn't look too bad. I don't know. If I do, it'd be so light it wouldn't even be funny. Because I feel like if it does dump, it's gonna dump. You mean like for real? Yeah, I think it's about to reverse, about to go down now. So it looks like it's about to. We're about to take all this freaking stuff out. Going down to London low. See if we get something going on here. Stop loss would be humongous right now though, so don't want to touch anything yet. See if we get this. If we get up in here, maybe take a short. That's a maybe. That's a maybe. I'm going down. Now I guess that was it then, huh? Right there. We still got plenty of time, so nothing to worry about here. Nothing to see here. But I mean, if we make a 5-minute here, we can see what's up with that. We're gonna change the state delivery here. Get it turned into that, and then still looking for short. Right now we're just, if it's going short, let it go short, and we're gonna see. I mean, if it goes short and it's letting us know, and it starts changing state delivery on the 5-minute, then we could look for something short, because we're still kind of holding this 518. The news kind of popped above it a little bit, but we're still kind of in that range. This is an entry. I'm not really fond of that right now, to the truth. Not too much. I mean, nothing crazy. Not really. Not really. Hit that sus block on him. Still think we're about to take these London lows out right here. Still think so. Just waiting for a good entry. I mean, with good risk. That's what's most important. Good risk on it. See what we got going on here. I want to look at this 5 minute on the ES. We don't have a fair value gap here or any change state of delivery. We might just be pumping up, dude. Man, I don't want to take no longs, man. I'm already so freaking high up, but man, might have to, dude. I just don't want to. Not in my life. Let's see here. Yeah, we're just holding this 5 minute on over here. 4 hour. Let's see what's going on there. Pumping and pumping. You mean strong one. 1 hour. Just pumping. Look at this 15 minute. We didn't quite make it back in there, so. Take this thing out right there. I guess, I don't know, man. I just kind of have to wait for this thing to clear, but I want some 5 minute fair value gap or something. That's what I want to see, like, for sure, before I do anything. Man, that could be something, but man, I want to see some on the 5 minute though. I can't just be looking at this 1 minute. I'll be tripping out hard. I'm just looking at this 1 minute. See every inversion, every whatever the heck, man. I want to see this thing, even though it looks like it's holding this area here. I just want to make sure, double sure, not just one sign of bearishness on the 1 minute. I want a sign of bearishness on the 5, and maybe a couple on the 1, but not just 1 minute only. A couple things. Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see here. Look at this right here. Shows bullishness, right? Gap up on the, was that the news? I mean, it shows strength. So oh yeah, I think we might just pump the heck up, and then later we might reverse, or we might reverse in the next little bit right here. We'll see. See if we can work, because we're at 10, so it's like a macro time of like reversal pretty much. So it'll be like 950 or something, 955, whatever, to like 1010. So it's taking like 5 minutes to see if we get that macro reversal time, which is 10 o'clock to 1010. I would say maybe 1015 tops. There may be a reversal. Am I gonna catch it? Probably not. Am I mad about it? Heck no, I'm not mad about it, because I want to see some stuff going on here, and I don't see nothing that looks clean to me. God. Literally just waiting right now. Literally not just waiting. Nothing to show me nothing right now. Nothing looks good at all. At all. And it's gonna take at least 20 minutes for something to even happen on the 5-minute chart. Or like 15 minutes at least. Probably one of the best days not to trade, dude. Right now. What are you gonna do? Okay, we took this little zone out. You mean like we're kind of in here, but let me see how far we are from this thing. Let's see. Oh no, if we go any higher, then I don't forget this dang zone. What is this? 15, you know that. We got this one thing, we didn't take that out. 50% of the wick is here. I think we're gonna take this wick out at least, man. We'll see what happens though. I'm gonna mark this as if it was a fair value gap because it's a freaking gap. I mean, it's still a good gap. There's still a gap right there. So I'm gonna act like it is a fair value gap. treat it as if it's a fair value gap, pretty much. So if we invert that, I'll see what's up. No fair value gaps on the 15 either this whole time. 5 minute, nothing here. Just got this gap here. Check. Yep, it's got that gap there. Since there's more to see on the 5 minute, at least the fair value gap on this ES, I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna leave it here. You got an SMT at the highs.
showcasing, she's got to go. North 34, Wimby. Wimby. 38, O-ring. Two squatter. Russell 34, thermostat. Elmer. 49, Tropic Thunder. Allies 37, Dial up. Alice 60, Narc. Respect. Spike. 10 Sigmund, 41. Tinkerbell with the Q. As a showcasing, she's got to go. North 34, Wimby. 38, O-ring.
The only thing I see is this inversion right here. Right here. And let's look at something real quick. So that's the inversion right there. Any other reversions that we could have took going to the downside, this one would have worked. It's kinda. If you would have put the break even, which I don't think it would have qualified to put it a break even. Inversion going up here. Well, we got the inversion right here going down, so that would not have worked. I'm trying to see if there's any going down that wouldn't have worked. This one wouldn't have worked. That would have worked, but it's come down, tapped into it. Well, even if you just got in, you mean somewhere over here. Stop at the highs or something, 100. Trying to get your 200. Which will be these lows here, probably like right here somewhere. Yeah, I got out already, but they're kind of holding this area, not really as strong as freaking crap, but we're holding it. I mean, we're holding this area. It looks better on the 15 minute or something like that. We're holding it because we did pass it up and all that stuff right here, but. I thought that would be the high today. This one here, was it that one? Yeah, so I thought it'd be the high today, but we did go back up there a little bit, especially because of the news. We freaking swept up there real quick, and I think this is the high today now for sure. It looks like, at least to me, but we'll see what happens. See if we get these 5 minutes to get passed up right here. We may get a change of state of delivery right here. We already got it over here on ES. We close below this little bit. We'll get something there too. We'll mark this out here. That right there. That's 15 minute. 5 minute, we'll just do this thing right there on that real quick. Just like that. Just take that out. Take that out. I want to see something clear. Super nice and clear. Nothing super clear yet, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Sit here and just wait. See what happens here. We're holding this 5 minute, holding that 5 minute as well. I want to see shorts, but we gotta pass that 5 minute up first. We have to, man. Still think we got a long way to go lower, so we got plenty of time. Still holding that 5 minutes, so just waiting out, seeing what's going on. And mark this out real quick. I see small 5 minute over here, right there. That small 5 minute there. Hit a little fair value gap here on the ES. Pushing up. See if we take this 5 minute out here. See what happens there. May just be pushing up, dude. It may be a no trade day today. We're bouncing at the, or we're seeing if we're gonna bounce right here or just invert it. We'll see what happens here. We didn't take out this 5 minute here, so maybe we could take this out. We'll see. Do got SMT at the lows here, right here. Let's see how that works out. We're about to invert this 5 minute here, so shoot. This may be the target here. This may be the target here. We did bounce off this 5 minute. This 5 minute 2 inverted this. Could have been an entry there, but shoot, I might have got stopped out right here. Because I wouldn't want my stop loss way the heck down there. If we come back into this area, I'll probably take something. Possibly. Not on my live. Not on my funded. It'll be on something else. On my evaluations. Trying to take that out. I'll put that bad boy at right here somewhere. Try to see if we get an entry right here somewhere. See what up. See what we get here. Okay, if we come into this area, I'll get in on my evaluation account. Eval, not on my live, because it's not too high probable. Okay, I got in there. My stop is at 06 because I got in like a better price. I waited for it to come down to the. Hold on. I waited for it to come down to the 5 minute. So it's like down here somewhere. And then I got in. So my entry is really right there. Then 06. Let's see. 06 right there. Trying to see if we get this break even when we take out these highs. This is not on my funded account. This is on my evaluation account. I don't want to take anything. I'm funded right now in this kind of price section right now. But I'll take this on my evaluation, see if we can get something going on here. Because I do believe we could take these highs out right here. But we'll go break even when we take this out right here. See if we can hold it, take these highs out. It looks really solid to be able to take these highs out. That's what it looks like to me, but market gonna do what it wants to do. Scoot this over so you can see. There it goes. See if it gets me out or not. Just hovering right here. There's no trades good enough for the evaluation or for my live one right now. It just, first of all, it's a little 5 minute. I mean, it's a little 5 minute. And we do look like we could take that out, though, to be honest with you. I mean, we do look like we could take that out. But just a little 5 minute that we inverted. We inverted this one too, but it just doesn't look too promising for my live. We're still in there barely. We're barely hanging on right now. I mean, we're freaking one tick away.
Order filled.
Yeah, see, we got stopped out there. So that's 2 trades on my evaluation that we did not get. But look solid to me. They look pretty decent to me. We'll just I'll probably call it right here. I might call it right here. I might call it a day right here. I think that's enough for me on this kind of price action right now. All-time high kind of thing going on here. Yeah. So I think this is it. So first of all, I just want to thank y'all for watching. We got I think we're on a winning. We were on a winning streak. We were, let's see here. We won yesterday and the day before. We were green. Yeah, yesterday, the day before, we were green. And Tuesday, the day before that, it was like a break-even day. And then Friday last week, Monday I didn't trade. Friday last week we got a good winner. So we're good on that's on my funded. But yeah, we're still, there's no trades today on my funded. Don't plan on it. So we'll see what happens here. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all be safe out there. God bless you. May the Lord keep you and bless you in Jesus' name. Thank y'all. Talk to you later.